last choir for the evening hails from Manchester. They wowed the judges with their rendition of Say Something and even had Dennis putting his job on the line just to show them how impressed he was. I wonder if he's going to do it again. Well, closing the curtains on an amazing night with this one called Back to Eden, here is the beautiful ladies from Bishop Gibson High School.
Bishop Gibson. Let me tell you, you know what separates you from others is that you choose something that is so challenging that no one can come near to you. Your harmony, your rhythm, your moves, the feel in the song. And the greatest thing, because this is a gospel night, is the testimony. Very good, very good. Jamaica, let's get back to Eden and vote them to the next round.
Joy, I'd like to know, why did our producer save the best for last? that was well done. I'm not sure if you're on top of the world, but you're definitely on top of All Together Sing.
You know, earlier, Dennis referred to a particular choir as the Jenna, right? But you're my Jenna. All of you. All Together Sing. Good job. Good job.
Did Bishop Gibson live up to the high expectations? Well, if they did, then you know what to do. Text or call 444-8810.